What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2023 Toyota Sequoia unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So we've covered this exact procedure before on the Toyota Tundra, and we'll take a look at that demonstration in the next clip. So in this scenario, the vehicle's locked and the key fob's dead. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now, as soon as we unlock the vehicle, the alarm is going to start going off. And what we need to do to stop the alarm is we're going to get in, and we're going to hold the fob to the stop start button, and then we'll start the vehicle as normal. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly, and it's going to be loud. So as you saw and heard there, once the vehicle was started for a few seconds, the alarm went off. One thing I wanted to point out, just because I don't know how clear that was. So what I was doing is just get in. You need to hold it by the ignition for a second or two, and then you'll start it as normal. Press the brake in, stop start button. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.